Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tip automatically on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and tip automatically so you no longer have to set it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, then click on Settings, then scroll down again, and click on Ride Preferences where it says Tip Automatically. So this is where you can turn on auto tipping and you can set it to 15, 20, 25, or set your own limit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and tip automatically on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.